Hey friends, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. I am freaking out a little bit. If you haven't heard the news, I am so excited to announce that I am officially an instructor for SBC Fest with scrapbook.com this fall. So it's a free event. You can get a ticket at the link in the description. I'll have a link down there for you. And I just got my box full of the bundles for all of the instructor kits for the classes. And I am so super excited. So I wanted to show you what was in all of those bundles in case you guys are interested in creating with any of the instructors. And you get to see my bundle, which is so crazy. I don't know. I feel like somebody pinched me. It just feels crazy. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Let's go ahead and take a look. When I opened my box, the first thing I noticed is that every kit is separated into its own awesome zippered pouch so that you can keep everything tucked away, perfect and ready for when you're going to be creating with the instructors live at the event, or just keep the supplies together until you're ready to get creative with them. Let's go ahead and see who our first instructor is. Every one of these comes with a card that tells you about the kit, and our first instructor is Simon Hurley. This is definitely going to be a fun one. We know and love Simon's supplies through Ranger, and everything is sure to be a stunner. So we've got some solar paste, some clear foam tape, and some astro paste. And those are bundled individually in a plastic baggie for you. And then we also have a 3D emboss and cut folder. This is a Simon Hurley and Spellbinders collaboration. So you can see the snowflake pattern there. So it looks like we are doing some winter vibes. And we've also got a snowflake stencil, and look how cute this little polar bear is with the present. This is a die set, again, collaboration from Spellbinders and Simon Hurley. So those ones are going to be super fun. I cannot wait to see Simon's projects and what we're going to be doing in class with these goodies. Moving right along to our next bag, we have none other than the Laura from scrapbook.com. We all definitely know Laura and Cody and how they get up to all of their shenanigans, and I'm sure this class will be no different. Laura's going to be teaching a great one with this beautiful patterned paper set from scrapbook.com. I'm really loving this. It's kind of giving me fall vibes. It's called Wildflower, but it's got some really nice muted fall tones. So I'll be really excited to see what she's up to in the class. We also have this huge die set, which has a lot of floral images, love and hello sort of themes. And then we've got another die set here, but it's actually a coordinating die for a stamp set. This one is called Hello Wildflower. So we see a theme here going. There's kind of the wildflower paper and then the die sets as well. And then these really cool shape dies as well. So I'm really excited to see what the projects are going to be. It's so interesting to see where the different ideas take everyone and how different we can all use the same products. The next bundle is popping on out with a 3D embossing folder, but it would help if I pulled the card out first. This is Mirisha, and her class is going to be super exciting as well. This is, like I said, a 3D embossing folder. We've got some really cool geometric patterns going on here. So the cool thing about 3D embossing folders is you really get a lot more depth and texture than with a traditional or standard embossing folder. We've got nested die sets here. So we've got different sizes that you can layer together, and then a nice sentiment stamp set with a big happy script and lots of little bits that you can put together with it. And then another die set that makes hot air balloons. Look how cute those are on the back. I absolutely love those. I have a bunch of ideas for ways that we can use them, and I can't wait to see what Mirisha does as well. The next bundle is going to be Briana Estrella, and this is a new creator to me, and I'm really excited about her class as well. There's a theme here. I'm excited about everything. Look at this giant paper pack here. This one is a 6x8 paper pack. This one's called Primrose and it's patterned paper. They are double-sided. So you get to see kind of like the differences with the patterns. You can use both sides or just one side and really make the most out of those patterned papers there. Really love these colors as well. There's a lot of really cool patterns going on in all of these classes. So to go with those, we also have these really cool shape dies that are leaves. I really love that you can cut the leaf shape, but then also get the veins of the leaf, and then you can change up the color, which I just think is really cool. We've also got alphabet dies, and this is a big die set. So this has two separate pages. We've got the alphabet in the uppercase and the lowercase, and it's the typewriter font, which is really cool. Then we also have another bag here. This one is Kristie Marcotte. I know I've seen Kristie on the scrapbook.com channel a lot, so I'm looking forward to seeing what she's creating as well. We've got this another 6x8 paper pad. I almost said stamp set. Paper pad. So again, double-sided papers here. This one is more fun, like vibrant, bright colors. So that's really fun. I know some of the other ones were kind of like more muted tones. And this one is definitely more like bright and sunshiny. This one's called Delight. And again, those are double-sided. So we've also got a bunch of other goodies in here, and we've got a floral theme going on, it looks like. So we've got a stamp set, and then we also have some dies. These are shape dies, and we've got some sentiments in there too. And then an A2 card die that has some different shapes there. We've got some square cutouts and then a sentiment strip area. So we can definitely make some cards with those pattern papers and the cutout area for the sentiments. Okay, this is the most exciting for me because what the heck is even happening, right? This is my kit. What the heck? There I am. There's a picture of me and everything. Isn't that crazy? I did want to point out too, there's a little QR code on there, and you can scan to go and check out like everything about the class on there. So if you scan that with your phone when you get it, it takes you to like all the project info. Anyway, so in my kit, we have a stencil, which is the little paw stencil. We have the shape dies, which is perfect pair, which has adorable little kitty cats, and some other elements too. And then we have a stamp set with some great sentiments, and of course, mint tape, because you can't go wrong with that. And I cannot wait to create with you in class. I am totally still freaking out. I don't know. It just feels surreal. I can't believe it. Let me know in the comments, which bundles are you most excited for? Is there something that spoke to you, something that's inspiring you? I know we'll get to see all of the projects from all of the instructors when SBC Fest is actually here. But I'm thinking I might do some crafting with these supplies before SBC Fest. I don't know. What do you think? Should I do it? Should I just jump right in and start using some of these bundles at some point? I think I might have to. Anyway, if you're interested in any of the bundles, all the links are in the description below. You can check them all out. And definitely go and support some of the other instructors as well. Head over to SBC and see all of the inspiration. They're going to be doing a whole bunch in the lead up to the event. So stay tuned for all the good stuff. Yay, I'm so excited. Yay.